So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am Kanishk, a second year undergrad student at DTU and you're watching Impro Adda. So guys, इस वीडियो में हम करेंगे IIT धनबाद का रिव्यू और इस रिव्यू में हमारी हेल्प करेंगे भौतिक अग्रवाल जो कि IIT धनबाद के फर्स्ट ईयर अंडरग्रेड स्टूडेंट हैं। और इस वीडियो में हमने जितने भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे हैं वो सारे आपको टाइम स्टैम्प के साथ डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे। अगर आप किसी पर्टिकुलर क्वेश्चन में स्किप करना चाहते हो तो आप उन टाइम स्टैम्प में क्लिक कर सकते हो। और अगर इस वीडियो के बाद भी आपके मन में कोई भी डाउट रहता है तो फिर आप हमें इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलो कर सकते हैं, हम वहाँ पे आपके सारे डाउट क्लियर करते हैं। तो चलो गाइस, बिना टाइम वेस्ट करे इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं।
So hey guys, I am Vipul Singh from first year DTU and you're watching to 14th episode of the College Insider series. And अगर आपने इससे पहले के 13 एपिसोड्स नहीं देखे हैं तो इस एपिसोड के बाद उन्हें ज़रूर चेकआउट करना। उसमें हमने इंडिया के जितने भी टॉप कॉलेजेस हैं उनको कवर किया है। एंड अगर आज के एपिसोड की बात करें तो आज हम करने जा रहे हैं IIT धनबाद कॉलेज का रिव्यू। एंड उस कॉलेज का रिव्यू करने के लिए आज हमने बुलाया है भौतिक अग्रवाल को, जो कि खुद एक फर्स्ट ईयर के स्टूडेंट हैं IIT धनबाद में। सो लेट अस इंट्रोड्यूस भौतिक अग्रवाल।
Hey guys, I am Bhautik Agarwal, student of first year BTech Petroleum Engineering from IIT ISM Dhanbad, and I'll be answering some questions regarding my college in today's video. Hope you guys enjoy it.
So moving on to the questions, तो भौतिक सबसे पहले IIT धनबाद कॉलेज के कैंपस के बारे में डिस्क्राइब करो।
Okay, the college was established in 1926, so we have a rich heritage-like look all over the campus from the British colonial period. Also the greenery in the campus, we have varieties of different plants, herbs and shrubs all over the campus. Actually Dhanbad is a coal capital, if you all know, so the air around the city is almost polluted because of the thermal generation ignitions all over the city. But inside the campus, due to such huge vegetation cover, the environment is so fresh all throughout the year, so we don't face pollution problems all around the campus.
सो भौतिक हर साल वहाँ पे कितने बच्चों का एडमिशन हो जाता है? आई मीन एनुअल इनटेक कितना है IIT धनबाद का?
The annual intake of the students through JEE Advance is around 900 to 1000 in number. The college also take admissions through GATE, JRE and other exams for MTech, MSc, Management, PhD and other variety of courses. There are around 10,000 plus students in the campus at present.
सो भौतिक IIT धनबाद की ओवरऑल फीस कितनी है अगर मैं हॉस्टल की फ़ीस को इंक्लूड करूँ? एंड इफ समहाउ अगर कोई फ़ीस पे नहीं कर पाता है तो स्कॉलरशिप कौन कौन सी अवेलेबल है कॉलेज में एंड क्या क्या क्राइटेरियाज हैं उस चीज़ के लिए?
Okay, coming to the fee structure, it's around 1.5 lakh rupees you need to pay as a general student per semester, which includes around 1,10,000 rupees as your tuition fee and 15,000 as your mess and hostel fee, and rest for other curricular activities. For the category students like SC and ST, the semester fee is around 15,000 only. They need to pay only hostel and mess charges. Rest all other fees are exempted from them. Talking about the fee deduction and scholarships, we have a policy of fee waiver for the families earning 5 lakhs and below for category students, and for general and OBC students we have MCM scholarship for the families earning 6 lakh and below, so that their tuition fees and all other fees are exempted, and they are given 1000 provisional per month extra. You can check the details in the website.
तो अब बात करते हैं कॉलेज के इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के बारे में। सो भौतिक वहाँ पे कौन कौन सी कैंपस फैसिलिटीज़ अवेलेबल हैं एंड अगर मैं लैब्स, लाइब्रेरी, क्लासरूम की बात करूँ तो इन सब की कंडीशन कैसी है एंड अगर मैं स्पेशली लाइब्रेरी का पूछूँ तो वो कैसी है कॉलेज की?
Okay, that's the real question I was waiting for. Actually, the labs are equipped with all modern day technological equipments. We have full furnished electronics lab, electrical lab, mining labs, petroleum labs, computer labs, and rest other branches which the college offer. We have a particular lab for every course. We have a basic model of mine created by an Australian university under our campus, which are restricted to only mining students. Okay, and we have special drilling equipments and reservoir equipments for the petroleum guys. Also we have computer high-tech labs for CSE guys, electronics and electrical lab. Also library, Talking about the library, we have Asia's second largest technical library. You can get almost every information related to your stream or not related to your stream either in just few spans of typing. We also there are certain books. We have 7-floored library, well equipped with ACs and modern day furniture. Talking about the in-campus facilities, there are canteen in almost every hostel of the college. There is also one main outlet of Amul located at the center of the campus. Also, there is a tea stall shop called Ramdhani, which is approx 50 years or so. So, they sell the best tea you could ever have. Inside the campus, you get laundry services also. Saloon is also there. You can basically get all your day-to-day supplies from the canteen in the hostels or the main Amul canteen itself. You can get the printing, copying, faxing, everything done at the main Amul canteen or the stationery shops open at your campus doorstep.
सो भौतिक वहाँ की टीचर्स और फैकल्टीज़ कैसी हैं, एंड अगर मैं इन जनरल बात करूँ तो तुम लोगों पे वर्कलोड कितना रहता है?
The 75% attendance policy. Yes, no IIT except for some one or two, I guess, is an exception for 75% attendance policy. But yes, our college follows 75% attendance policy. People, be sure about that. If you do not get 75% attendance in your semester, you won't be allowed to sit in an examination. You will automatically be given an F grade, which means you are failed in that particular subject. If you are an engineering student, workload is amongst your best friend. So our college is not an exception. Yes, we get a huge amount of assignments and practical records. So it's not an exception. It's a regular thing for every engineering guy.
अब बात करते हैं हॉस्टल्स की। तो भौतिक वहाँ की हॉस्टल फैसिलिटीज़ कैसी हैं, एंड अभी तक तुम्हारी हॉस्टल लाइफ कैसे रही वहाँ पे? एंड अगर मैं स्पेशली मेस फूड का पूछूँ तो मेस फूड कैसा है वहाँ का?
If any IIT ISM guy is watching this video, I know you could relate it very well. So we have an alternate options for eating outside the campus and inside as well. So it's not a big problem. Also the room size. You live in a hole in IITs, you know. There are only just 2x2 rooms which you need to share with a guy. But believe me, you live the best 4 years of your life in any of the college you go. We have loads and loads of entertainment. We have variety of people to enjoy. We make fun of others. Others make fun of us. We enjoy a lot. We are like a family. No matter whether it be anyone's birthday or any particular festival, you all gonna enjoy it with your friends, your new family. You're gonna enjoy the best 4 years of your life in the college. Believe me, I have made my family there and I enjoy living with them. The college life is hell crazy. Believe me guys, it's hell crazy. So enjoy your college life of 4 years. No matter whichever college you go, whether it's in an IIT or an triple IIT or any NIT or any sort of college, just enjoy and do not forget for what you are there. Enjoy with study. Also the mess food sucks. It's not in the case of our IIT, it's the case of each and every government funded university in India. You cannot get good food. Even the standards set by the government are not even closely matched by the food workers, you know. Because once you leave your college, the Arijit songs, "Oh Din Bhi Kya Din The," will definitely find its way to you.
सो भौतिक भाई, अब तक तुम्हारा सीनियर्स के साथ कैसा इंटरेक्शन रहा, एंड क्या रैगिंग होती है कॉलेज में?
So I guess ragging is not the word we use here. Interaction is the first interaction with the seniors is like you will be very frightened to talk to them. But I guess it's important to interact with seniors. You know, they will be the one to guide you to shape your career, to find a better job. So unless and until you interact with them, you're not gonna know about the job opportunities in your branch particularly. So, and also you're not gonna know about the college as well. So meeting alumni and talking to seniors and getting to know about different opportunities from them is a pretty good thing. And of course the fun and the entertainment we get with them is pretty well, of course.
मैं जानता हूँ कि तुम लोग इस क्वेश्चन का वेट कर रहे होगे, इसलिए मैंने इस क्वेश्चन को लास्ट में रखा ताकि तुम पहले की पूरी वीडियो ज़रूर देखो। तो क्वेश्चन है कि गर्ल्स टू बॉयज़ रेशियो क्या है भौतिक भाई IIT धनबाद का?
Talking about girl to boy ratio, it's pretty well in our college comparing to other IITs or colleges, you know. Also, one thing I would like to tell you all that the in time for the first year boys is 9 p.m. and the same for the first year girls is 1 a.m. So I guess the girls are more privileged in our campus.
तो यार अब बात करते हैं प्लेसमेंट्स के बारे में। सो भौतिक भाई IIT धनबाद की अगर मैं इन जनरल बात करूं तो प्लेसमेंट्स कैसी है एंड कौन सी फील्ड में सबसे ज़्यादा जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ वहाँ पे मिलती है?
Talking about the placement, the college is famous for the placement in the earth science oriented branches like petroleum, mining, geophysical, geotechnical, applied geology, etc. But we do have good placements in technical oriented branches also, like computer sciences, electrical engineering, electronic engineering, civil, mechanical. All the branches have a quite good placement and quite good average as well.
तो देखो यार, जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं कि IIT धनबाद इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट IITs, तो जाहिर सी बात है वहाँ की जो एलुमनाई बेस होगा वो काफ़ी ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा। तो भौतिक मेरा तुमसे ये क्वेश्चन है कि क्या तुम इस स्ट्रॉन्ग एलुमनाई बेस से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो? I mean, अगर तुम्हें उनसे कुछ पर्सनली बात करनी हो तो क्या वो पॉसिबल हो पाता है?
About the alumni network, IIT ISM being such an old institute have a vast network of alumni. We are connected through a cell called SAIRC, Students Alumni International Research Cell, which helps in the connection of lot of alumni to the present students. Also, you can connect to them via LinkedIn and etc. social profiles. Many CEOs of earth science related companies are the alumni of IIT ISM. Or not only earth science related companies, we have our alumni based network in many other sectors like IT, civil, mechanical and all. Basically, we have a huge vast networking of alumni. We also conduct annual alumni meet, which is named Basant, which happens in the month of February, during which the whole campus blooms with multicolored flowers. The Opal Garden, the main garden of the IIT ISM Dhanbad, in front of the Heritage Building. It is the most beautiful place in the campus during that time.
तो यार अब करते हैं इस वीडियो को यहीं पर एंड। सो भौतिक, तुम खुद भी एक IITian हो, तो कोई टिप्स जो तुम देना चाहो अपने जूनियर्स को जो अभी JEE की तैयारी कर रहे हैं इस डिफ़िकल्ट सिचुएशन में?
Okay, to all the guys and girls who are going to appear for JEE this year in this tough scenario of the world pandemic, all the very best. Have trust in yourself. Do not overburden yourself, your mind. Also, I would like to tell one thing that only getting into IIT is not a thing. There are many other good colleges in India as well as in abroad. You can try for those if you cannot make it. If you make it, well and good. But if you don't, there are other options too. Please consider them. It's not about getting into IITs. It's about following your passion. If engineering is your passion, then go for it. If you are doing it otherwise, please do not proceed. I hope I didn't bore you guys. This is just a mere information. You can get complete information about the institute, the cutoffs and etc. thing in the institute's website. Thank you to this wonderful guy over here for inviting me. Please do subscribe to his channel. He's doing a great work. Also, if you have some questions in mind, you can ask in the comment section below, or you can directly ping me in my Instagram account or connect via LinkedIn. Whatever suits you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
सो थैंक यू सो मच गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो। अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कर देना एंड अगर आप चाहते हैं कि हम फ्यूचर में भी ऐसे ही कॉलेज रिव्यू वीडियोस लाते रहें तो उसके लिए प्लीज़ चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कर देना और कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें लिख के ये बताओ कि हम अपने आने वाली वीडियोज़ में कौन कौन सी कॉलेजेस को कवर करें। एंड अगर तुम्हारे कोई भी डाउट्स रह चुके हैं तो मैंने भौतिक का इंस्टाग्राम का लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल दिया है। एंड अगर तुम्हें हमसे कुछ क्वेरीज पूछनी है तो हमारे इंस्टाग्राम का हैंडल डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा एंड स्क्रीन पे भी डिस्प्ले आ गया होगा। तो मिलते हैं ऐसी ही किसी अगली वीडियो में। टिल देन स्टे सेफ, स्टे हैप्पी एंड सी यू गाइस इन द नेक्स्ट वन।